Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to activate your American Express credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To activate an American Express credit card, you can simply visit the online activation page. Open up your web browser to get started. Once you do that, go to the URL box in the top and type in americanexpress.com/in/activate and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll be taken to this activation page for your credit card. Enter your card details in order to activate it online. Enter your 15-digit card number in the first text box and make sure to type it in correct. Your card number will be available at the front of your American Express credit card. Simply go ahead and enter your card detail and go to the next field. Type in the last 4 digits on your card. The PIN code will also be visible at the front of your credit card. Go ahead and type it in and click on confirm. Once your information is correct, you'll be taken to a next page. Set up your card, follow through the on-screen prompts, and finish your card activation. That is how you can easily activate your American Express credit card with a few simple steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.